Welcome designers. Welcome today to this short video that I'm putting out today. In this video, I want to talk about the coming week. This coming week will be graduation stole designing week here at Pui Designs. First thing you need to do, you need to have Silhouette Studio Business Edition. You can get it from Silhouette. You can get it from Amazon, I think. Amazon. You can get it from the Silhouette design store. No, not the design store. Silhouette America. You can get it from Swing Design. I will have the link down here of Silhouette America and Design Store. I will have those two links. Amazon, I'm not so sure yet. I need to check. But you can get it from these places. I got mine from Swing Design, but you can also get yours from Silhouette America. They are very trustworthy places. You need to have Silhouette Business Edition because we will use it to design with it and save and cut and all those things. Okay, that's one of those things. One other thing you need to do, please, to be able to have a better workflow, it will be good to change your settings a little bit. And how you change that setting is let me show you something really quick. I'm going to merge something in here. I'm going to bring an image in here really quick. Let me see. I'll look for a. Okay, for instance, let me take this image. It will be big, but it will come in. Okay. I think it's already here. Let me zoom out. Oh yeah, it's right here. You see this image came in. You see this image right here. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to lock it and make it smaller. Let's say make it 8-inch. 8-inch, come on. Yeah, it will be smaller. Okay, right here. When you look at it, you see that it has a transparent background that you see. It has a transparent background and it has a cut border around it. I'll go to send really quick and show you. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Okay, you see, if we wanted to cut it, you see it would cut. You know, even with all these raggedy ends, it would cut. You see, because it traced it already for us. Let's see this one. It would cut. Okay, why did this happen? Why did I get this? Let me go back to design. Why did the system automatically trace the image for me? Number one, it's with a transparent background. That's number one. Number two, look what I did. I went into edit and I went to preferences and then I went to import right here. And this is where the magic happens. You see here PNG, that image is a PNG image. And I selected here auto trace. That means every image that I import, that I open in my software, and it has a transparent background, the system will automatically trace it for me. So I don't have to go trace it with a trace panel and remove background and all those things. No. When I check it here, I apply it and then I click OK. So if any image that I opened into Silhouette Studio, even if it's through merge in or just open, as long as it has a transparent background, the system will automatically trace it for me. So I don't have to waste time tracing it. And it will give me the exact size of the image. Okay? Okay, let me delete this. So this is one of the things that you need to do. Let me merge in something else. A cleaner image. An image with a cleaner outline. Let me find something. A PNG. Okay, let me take this one. Okay, I think it will come in big. Okay, but I will make it smaller. I'll select it. It's already logged. I'll make it like 4-inch. Okay, I don't see it, but I know it's selected. I will click on here and then it will come here. You see it here? These two, they have a transparent background. And because I have checked PNG auto trace in my preferences, it auto traced it for me. So it's so easy for me if I want to break them apart. Like I release compound and then I have two separate images. You see that? You see how easy it goes? So before we go to the designing of the grad stole, please check this in your settings, in your system, in your software. Go to edit, go to preferences, go to import, and have auto trace checked here. If you don't check it, your image with a transparent background will not be auto traced. If you check it here, click the box, apply it, and click OK. Any image you import, you opened into Silhouette Studio with a transparent background will be auto traced for you. Okay, this is one of the things that you need to pay attention to. And this is one of the things that we will need to design the template on the grad store. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned for the other videos this coming week. Thank you.